Hello and welcome. In our today's lecture, we're going to learn about the strings in Python. Python has built-in string class named str with many handy features. String literals can be enclosed by either double or single quotes, although the single quotes are more commonly used. Backslash escapes work the usual way within the both single and double quotes literals. A double quote string literal can contain single quotes without any fuss. Example, I did not do it. I likewise, the single quote string can be contains double quotes as well. A string literal can span multiple lines, but there must be backslash at the end of each line to escape the new line. String literals inside the triple quotes or this can span multiple lines of the text. So strings in Python are actually a sequence, which basically means Python keeps track of every element in string as a sequence. For example, the Python understands the string hello to the letters in specific order. This means we will be able to use indexing to grab the particular letters like the first letter or the last letter or in a specific index of the letter like in mid or the some specific index. What we are going to learn in this lecture or in this section not specific in the lecture, but it will be the section like creating strings, printing string, print formatting, string methods, string indexing and slicing, string properties. There are a lot of other steps. So let's start with the we can say the create string. So here we go, and this is just only this uh, uh, hello to Python. This is just only uh, uh, the string, and hello to Python it is interpreting as the string like this way. And this is the like a phrase, and if we want to take like that a simple word like word, it will be the run like this as well, and the sentence will be the look like that way as well. And we can use the double quotes as well in a similar way, like that here is the double quotes, and the simple way here we can see like this all the way, and it is showing the similar way. The word here like the with the double quote and the single quotes is printing in a similar way. So be careful about using the quotes, and you can see the some errors as well. Let's move into the next lecture and then see how the double quotes and the single quotes work like this. I don't like to be angry, something like this. And let's run this. I don't like to be angry. It's printing like this way. And if I do this, like here we go, and here is the single quote for this, then you can see like that this is the I don't like angry. Invalid syntax is here, and we cannot like this the single quote on the double, just a single I just here. If I put it here like this way, then you can see this is again it here this is the invalid syntax. So the reason for the error this is the because the single quote in I don't and the don't and the I basically here which automatically output strings, but correct way to display strings in your output is by using the print function, which we will later on the see. And also here like this I would like to fix this error here like this. Okay, here is the error, so you must not know about how to manage this. So here if I say like that the my first statement and my second statement and you can run it as the way of second statement. If you see here, it's just printing our the second statement. We can use the print functions to print a string and all the strings here. So this is the way like this, and we will move forward with the print function as well. And here if I use the print function for this, the first statement, and here we go, the second statement. So if we run all, here we go. If you see here, the run, it's run the both statements here like this to print the new line. You can also use the some characters as I mentioned here, the \n. You can use as well for printing function. So these are the string, just creating string and printing string. And the print formatting, for print formatting, there are the a lot of steps for to do it. But before we are running through the print formatting, we will see some built-in methods and the string index, slicing, and other things in our next lecture. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be back in next lecture.